Hi everyone, I'm Ryan at Talos, and today we are going to go over the Talos T60X, how to split your field and even share the field with another drone if you have another T60X with you. So we have our map, and now just doing a little bit more, couple touches. There you go. Cool. All right, so we have our map, and I'm just going to save. Just do split field. Now for this, we're going to be splitting this field. Basically, once you have your map selected, so let's say I just cancel out of this. So you have your field here. Let's say you are pretty much like you only want to fly half the field and do another half the other day. You just select the field and you'll have a divide field option to your right. Just select that. And now you'll just draw the line where you want to split it. So you'll put an anchor point, or the anchor point there, and you can see it creates that split field, and you can adjust it as well if you like. And then once you're done, you just click Save As, and now it divided both of these fields. So what we want to do is, we have two drones here. I want to share half the field to the other drone. So let's say I have a big field, I already have one map for it, and I want to fly both drones at the same time or something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one, and pretty much you just do your adjustments here. If you want to change up anything, if you're, let's say you're flying and you're spreading different chemicals or different material, you'll just do your adjustments here for one field. And then once you're done, you do save. I don't need to do, so I'm just going to exit. And then once you have that done, you'll go over to your home page, go to your folder, and then you'll find that field that you just made. So I have both the split field, the whole one, the divided one, and the second divided one. So I want to do, let's see which one they are. So divided one is to the left. So for this drone, I'm going to share the right one to the other drone. So again, going back to the home page, clicking the folder at the top, and then going down to divide one. This one, I'm going to upload it to the cloud. All right, upload successful. And now if I go over to the second remote, you can see here that there is no field at all. So we can just go back. Same process, go to that folder. And now instead of in the local, you'll go to cloud. And now we have our divided field right here, and we just download that. File downloaded. Now if we go back over here, we have our other field right here. All right, so we have the field here. I just did a quick correction because I selected the wrong field, even though I double checked and everything, but we have the right field here, and you can see that is on a completely different drone. I want to emphasize though that this is all under the same account. So there is one cloud that you have access to, and each account has access to, and that is how you'll get your fields. The management software is to be coming pretty soon, I would say. With that, once you're on the management software, you're able to share it with any other account. So as long as you just have the email, you can share it to another drone. That is in the works, but soon. I will say I have seen the beta version and approved it myself, so that's coming very soon. So that being said, I'm just going to do a couple more adjustments with the field just to make sure these drones don't hit each other. And once I get that ready, we can go ahead and take off. All right, so I made my adjustments. Both these fields, they have their connection points. So just to make sure that they don't hit each other. And I also adjusted the field margins so they're a little bit away. So when they get closer to each other, they won't be too close to each other where they detect each other. So now I have application rate 7 gallons per acre, spray droplet size 50 micrometers, flight speed 25 feet per second, 13 feet above crops, route spacing is at 20 feet. Same thing on this side. Application rate 7 gallons, 50 micrometers, 25 feet per second, 13 feet above crops, and roughly 20 feet with route spacing. So now both of these drones are good to go, and we can go ahead and start. So that was how to split your fields with the Talos T60X. Again, I want to reiterate that it must be under the same account like I showed before. If you're using different accounts, then we just gotta wait till the management app, which should be soon, very soon. So that being said, again, I'm Ryan at Talos. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, all that stuff.